English phrases unveiled. Tint mixer. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, tint mixer. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how it's used. Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand the two words individually. 1. Tint. A tint refers to a shade or a variety of a color, especially when white is added to it. For instance, if you add white to red, you get pink, which is a tint of red. 2. Mixer. A mixer can mean a person or a machine that mixes something, especially one that mixes paint. It can also refer to a device or software used for adjusting sound. However, in the context of our phrase, we are focusing on the former meaning related to mixing. So, combining these words, a tint mixer is either a person or a machine that mixes different tints, typically in the context of paint or similar substances. Now that we know the meaning of tint mixer, how do we use it in a sentence? Here are some examples. 1. I went to the hardware store and the tint mixer helped me get the perfect shade of blue for my bedroom. 2. The new paint shop has an automatic tint mixer that can create over 1,000 different shades. 3. Being a tint mixer requires a keen sense of color, as you have to know which colors blend well together. From these examples, it's clear that the term can refer to both a person who mixes tints or a device designed for that purpose. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, tint mixer. Now, whenever you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay curious. Until next time,